Hey everyone, so another Glossybox. Let's open it. It's upside down. Oh, okay. So this is, I guess, the March Glossybox for all the things I get. So another anatomicals item. Puffy, the eye bag slayer. So I guess these are puffiness under eye bag things. So well, I've gotten something by Anatomicals before from them. I think it's a British brand. This should be good. Let's see what else. Got a horology item. Let's hope it focuses. So this is for this brand. It's for color treated hair. But it should probably work for untreated hair too. Oh, should be good. I've heard good things about this brand. Oh, I remember seeing their shampoo at like Ulta or something. Their stuff is so expensive. Got an Ole Hendrickson item. Truth Serum Collagen Booster. This should be good too. I had a bunch of samples of this before. It's kind of nice to have a deluxe sample of it. I can't really say how well it works, since the samples are just like little tiny things. And I guess you need to use something like this for a while before you see any difference. So, some nail polish. Lauren P. Beauty, Beverly Hills. In City of Angels. So it's a 5 free, vegan friendly nail polish. It's like a nice natural or neutral pink color. A little flesh tone. Let's see what else we get. We got probably does not want to focus on this. Let's see. Sumita. It's an eyeliner. Call black color intense pencil. If it chooses to focus on that part. Probably not. There you go. So let's open this up and see. It's like, oh wow, okay, it's taped. Never mind. So that's pretty much was all in our March Glossybox. OA Hendrickson, Purology, Lauren V, Anatomicals, and Sumita. It's the only brand that I've never heard before, Sumita, but still not bad. I kind of like it, even though it doesn't really, I don't know, impress me, but I'm just tired, so until next time.